you haven't seen it in a while, I have been so busy. So today, we're going to wash the Subaru. This is disgusting. Man, I've been rapping all the way here. This thing is so dirty. You know, the beads, all kinds of stuff. Got in the car with beads on me. It's a mess. Okay? So we're going to wash this thing up. It's going to look brand new. Let's get this thing turned on here. Tap. Nope. Nope. Not gonna tap. Okay. Okay. All right. Verifying. Verifying. Oh yeah. High pressure wrench. Say less. Yeah. Let's do it. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So I haven't been able to wash this thing. I've been on the road, Jack. Don't come back no more. No more. No more. Yeah. Yeah, I've been on the road since I haven't washed this thing since I went to the drag strip. So that tells you how long it's been. Okay. But it ain't no big thing. Get this thing washed. No problem. You know? Nothing a little water can't fix. Oh yeah. Really gotta get these brakes. Oh yeah. Front mount's looking brand new. Soapy soap time. Let's get some of that soap. You know? Get that foam brush action. Oh, where's it at? Oh, it's leaking all over the handle. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Take the soap. It's taking the soap. Yeah, buddy. Man, this car needed a cleaning bad. Yeah, I've just been on the road. You know, work. You know, work is. We do it. Been loading up the truck stuff in here. I mean, I tell you what, this car is a trooper. Okay, I seriously just be using this car. You know what's the point of having a car if you can't use it? It's got all-wheel drive. Honestly, I could load anything up in this thing and do burnouts in dirt. Only if there's more dirt around. You know, if I lived in the country, man, I'd be a menace to society. All right. Well, I'm gonna keep soaping this baby up. Y'all just hang out there. Felt like it was old girls time to get washed. You know, you just get busy. You get busy with life and, you know, working and stuff like that. But she needed a little love. She needed a little love. Man, I wish I had some compound on me. Dang. I got some at the house, though. The trunk has like a special little trick to it. I gotta push it down to pick it up and do all that jazz. Okay, excuse. Oh, you just get in there. Does anybody feel like these chamois? The chamois lids just don't stay on. What the heck? Look at it. It's dry as a rock. Dry as a rock. Let me go wet this, and then maybe we can start drying the car. I actually decided to do the wheels next. So excuse this rag, okay? Like I'm not a professional detailer, but you know, as long as I keep the brake dust off of them, right? Should be fine. That's what I'm thinking. Get a little. I'll come back and dry them off. You know, man, these wheels look clean. These are the Bores. They're kind of like a work emotion or motion. Uh, I think they're work emotions. They're like a rep of those, and I tell you what, man, these things, they're clean, they're not super heavy, and they're affordable, and they look fantastic. There was a car, like a replica, I was trying to, I don't know, I seen it, it looked super clean. I was like, man, a Subaru can look like that. So boom, I freaking got these suckers. Been great ever since. Before I was rocking it was like a BBS gold wheel, kind of like a traditional rally car style. But you know, I love the traditional. I mean, this isn't really a rally car. It could be, but you know, it's kind of a pave monster. So we're pave monstering this thing. All right, this wheel's done. On to the next. A guy needed help over there. He had a big van and needed a spot. And I was like, you know what? I'll help you out, buddy. Don't worry. I do this all the time. You know? Yep. Come on back. Yep. Yep. Keep going. Yep. All right. Stop. All right, you're good. And then he drove off, you know. And that was about the end of that. But I mean, hey, just lend a helping hand, you know. Don't hurt nobody. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at this thing. Oh yeah. This thing's sweet. Ignore the rag. Look how dirty they were. Goodness gracious. All right. Let me go grab that power washer. Power wash all the wheels. Okay. Yeah, you know, the wheels I had before, I couldn't really get access to the calipers. So now I'm able to get like full access. Accesses. So I can actually clean them. Oh yeah. Spritz this a little bit just so, because the hood's hot, so it dries up a little bit quicker, and I don't want water spots. What was that? Oh, that's disgusting. Cleaning. Cleaning. Never done never power wash. Well, I power washed this car many times, but I haven't buffed and polished it and stuff. So who knows? Maybe we'll do that. You know, we don't know. We don't know what the future holds. I know it holds great things, though. I'll tell you that much. Well, apologize about earlier. A guy was having technical difficulties. My phone died. Yeah. But it's charged up right now, obviously. We're gonna finish it off. I'm gonna wet off the tires, and then I'm about to freaking take off in this car. And then I will see you next episode. They look brand new. All right, hopefully nobody gets my way.